Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook Reels loading and black screen problem? Don't worry, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix this problem. Let's start. Fixing for problem, first of all tap and hold Facebook apps. Then tap on Facebook info. Scroll down, tap on storage and tap on clear data, tap on delete and go back and home screen. Go to Play Store, tap on Play Store, then tap on search bar, search for Facebook. See looking already update apps and follow my last step. Finally reset your phone. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.